Okay, today we're going to be preparing the American grilled steak. Now, before we get cooking, safety and sanitation requires me to wash my hands. Okay, so before we actually cook the steaks, we have to properly season them, which involves some steak spice, and a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, now it's always a good idea, so while they're cooking, to kind of just with a fork press in the spice so it doesn't like fall off, so it like allows it to cook in. Okay, so now we have to take them out to the barbecue. Pause. Okay. Before you start cooking, you also have to scrape the grill. So, this is what I'm doing here. Just to get off all the stuff from last time's cooking. You don't want to cook on a dirty grill. Okay, so we're going to put our steaks on. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll put it spice side down so it can cook up into the meat. That. Like that. Okay. We're good. So now we just have to let this cook for a while. Pause. Okay, so right now we're flipping the steaks and we're gonna sauce them. So I got my steak sauce right here. Alright. Gonna brush it in. And we're good. Now we just gotta let this cook for a while. We good?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have to flip them again, sauce the other side.
Hmm.
Okay, so they should be good in about a couple minutes, like maybe one, so, alright. Okay, so our steak should be ready. They look good. Alright. Perfect. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so this is my personal favorite part of the American culture, but the most important meal in the American culture to their people would be the Big Mac. The typical spices used are salt and pepper. Traditional dishes range from roast beef, fried chicken, grilled steak, and meatloaf. Holiday and celebration foods are like meatloaf, stuffed turkey, baked potato. Social uses of food, going on a date to McDonald's for a nice greasy burger, a chemical shake, and some salted cardboard sticks. Interesting food-related habits would have to be most of the American population eats mainly fast food. Some eat in real food restaurants, and they occasionally eat at home for a home-cooked meal. But I am going to stick these bad boys in the microwave so they keep warm. Won't turn it on, but...
Should I get you setting the table for everyone?
Sure.
Nothing.
Perfect. I don't like this one.
Okay. We'll see what it looks like after.
And this is our set table. Thank you for watching Kennard's Kitchen.